asynchronous USART mode. Right, then I've got a temperature sensor here, TMP36. Okay, all right, so if I click on the run button, we're going to see the virtual terminal window is going to pop up, and it should display the live temperature data that we've got right here. As you can see, 25 degree, and we've got 24.95 stm32 project. Now this is going to take a few seconds. Great. Now all you have to do now is to basically select the microcontroller in which you want to work with. If you also have a board like a nuclear board or a discovery board, you can go ahead and select it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my chip here, basically stm32f103r6 T6A, right? And I'm going to click right here on this one here and say next. You basically don't have much settings to do here. I'm just going to go ahead and enable continuous conversion, the function. Now this function is a float function, so we basically need to also create our prototype here. I'm gonna come back to it and explain what's going on here quickly. So let's first create our function prototype, okay, that will hold the message that will contain temperature name and the temperature value. Explorer. Great. Now it's copied the system explorer, so I copied the link where my hex file was generated. Okay, great. Now let's go ahead and click on our IC, right, and edit properties. Okay, then we need to basically click on the program file so that we can find our hex file. Okay, and here, as you can see, I'm using the old one, and now I'm going to paste the link to where the new one is located. Okay, and here is our file, stm32f103 virtual terminal.hex. Great. Now let's go ahead and run this program, and the virtual terminal should pop up somewhere here. There we go. And as you